Howdy folks, here I sits a 2020 Tri-Glide. Vivid black is the colors, got a lot of nice accessories on. I'll kind of pick them up as we go. Gonna have the Milwaukee 8114 with a Screaming Eagle package on it. Come up front here, we've got, of course, LED headlight and passing lamps. We did add LED turn signals. A little bit of chrome on the front fender there, and chrome trim on the windshield, mirrors, grips, gas cap, chrome trim around all of the dash there, and also back here on the passenger speakers, little added chrome there, bumper, luggage rack on the tour pack, bumper, the LEDs underneath the red run turn brake on the back, and got this 2020 Tri-Glide here at Vandervest Harley-Davidson. That's us, located at 1966 Velp Avenue here in Green Bay. Phone number is 920-498-8822.